Why did you bring us here? I brought you here because I have a surprise for you. It's probably for me.
No, it's for me.
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 Me. Hey, hey,
Hey,
hey.
where did you go?
Go.
Hey, where did you go? Ow! What?
Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, I got a surprise.
Well, a surprise for Mr. Incredible. What is it? A car for me! Woohoo!
What? That's not fair. I should have gotten the car. No, I should have gotten the car. I should have gotten the car.
Hey, I don't get in trouble. I don't get in trouble. I should have gotten the car. I'm out of you. Hey, I'm gonna destroy the car. Or at least open it. I don't know. Hey, can I open the car?
What? It's my car.
I want to open it though. I can open it, right?
Okay.
Just be careful, don't break it. There's no promises here, no promises. Uh-oh, what he's gonna do to my car. There you go.
Ah, thanks, Jack. No problem. Ooh, another superhero car. Cool.
I still think I should have gotten the car.
No, I should have gotten the car.
Whatever.
Here we go again.
Well, I still think I should have gotten the car.
No,
Me.
I should have gotten the car.
Violet Parr should have gotten the car.
Dash part should have gotten the car.
No, me.
Me.
This might take a while. Me.
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 Well, they fight. I'm gonna try out my new car.
And the mission for
Woohoo! That's it for this video. Please remember to like and subscribe.